Hi, this is Deborah Harris bringing you a cost of goods sold tip or a cost of sales tip. This is a cash flow lever and a profit lever tip. And the cost of goods sold in your business are those costs that vary up and down with the amount of stuff you sell. So whether it's a product or a service, the amount that you sell, there'll be some costs that are directly attributable to that and vary up and down with the number of things that you sell. So our cash flow tip of the day is to consider using the cheapest possible in-house talent. Now, we've just talked before about using outsourced talent to help build out your talent pool, but often we forget that the people within our business have been growing and changing and learning with our business too. And by training our team to take on more responsibility and training them up means that we have to also be aware that we have to be intolerant of them doing things that are beneath their pay grade. So what we're trying to do is push the work down to the lowest or cheapest possible in-house resource or the cheapest possible resourcing so that we can give time and space for the team to be trained up. So this is not about taking away opportunity. This is about broadening opportunity to give them a better skill set. So what we're trying to do is make sure that the cheapest person is doing the touching of the job the most often and that your more expensive resources are touching the job less often. And in this way you can actually minimize the cost of your in-house resources or your in-house team and lessen the cost of producing the good or service. And it doesn't mean that you need to impact the value of that service or create a poorer quality service. What it actually means is that your labour pool are becoming a highly skilled workforce that will be sought after by your customers to do their job. So here's our cash flow tip of the day. Use the cheapest possible in-house talent and continue training your team.